Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust keyboard backlight on Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. To do that, first of all, we have to toggle the function keys function. Press F1 button and make sure that the LED indicator is turned off in the top right corner of it. Then use your F5 button to adjust your keyboard backlight. As you can see, if you press it once, you will enable the keyboard backlight. If you press it twice, you will increase the brightness. If you press it 3 times, you will set the brightness to the maximum level, and pressing it fourth time will disable the keyboard backlight of your computer. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.